getting out there, especially with my feet and hands in the soil, it brings wellness. I think being a single mama and being broke has really, really forced me to get stuck in there and turn the grass into kai. Going our own kai as a whānau really brings us together in a super effortless way. Dūnbea is my little ancient spirit, deep thinker who sees and feels everything. Toi Kairaku is really physical and really likes to see growth, and he loves digging and creating. Delilah, she's more of an observer. She doesn't really get amongst so much, but she's always out there with us. Paiki is very food driven. He's my little sous chef. He can cook a mean feed for the whole whānau from start to finish. My tamariki are definitely my people. Teaching myself to grow kai with them, I know that it's a journey that will never end. We will continue to transform what we have into as much kai as we possibly can. So yeah, I feel really, really proud of what we're doing.
All of the mātauranga tied to Te Hopu tītī, it's all premised on taua and paua teaching mokopuna. So the mainland preparation, he mahi kite, he mahi rimurapa, he mahi pōha. Kids don't listen to their parents, mokopuna mostly listen to their grandparents, and so that's really at the heart of this whole activity. So my great-great-grandmother, who we call Big Nana, she was very insistent that we A, continue with the harvest, but B, that we do it with pōha. And so my paua sort of honoured her in that, and I guess we're honouring him by carrying on.
I like going to the island for a month and spending time with my family and learning new stuff that taua teaches me.
So what makes this special for us is coming together as a whānau really, and having that special time with the mokos and just watching them grow and mature and get more proficient at tasks and watch them get attached to the tītī island. I really enjoyed that time with my taua, and I hope these kids enjoy it as much with their taua.
Its significance is the fact that it's probably the most culturally Māori thing that our whānau does. We've retained that exclusivity over the islands and over that harvest, so it is truly ours.
We always sort of kind of say there's a seat on the waka for everybody.
Our waka is our people, and our people are our waka.
So waka empowers the community by bringing whānau together. We're reclaiming our awa and visually seeing whānau having fun, playing, learning, doing what's in their DNA.
Waka means connections to the past, to the present, and to the future too. So, we're building something that, we can pass on to future generations.
Waka's had an impact on my well-being. It's been awesome for keeping me fit, keeping me well. Emotionally, it's a good space to be out on the awa and connecting with the atua. That helps culturally and spiritually, but the main thing is culturally connecting to who I am and my whakapapa. Waka has changed my life so that I don't know what life is without waka anymore, so it's just normal.